Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus iPhone 16 Pro Max, a comparison. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has officially arrived, bringing significant upgrades to challenge the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Both devices belong to the premium smartphone category, making it essential to examine what each offers to consumers choosing between the two. Every year, Samsung and Apple release flagship models, the Galaxy S Series Ultra for Samsung and the Pro Max variant for Apple. These flagship phones often set the standard in the smartphone industry and reflect distinct software ecosystems. Each new iteration not only surpasses its predecessor, but also intensifies competition in the market. While specifications are critical, consumer expectations are continually rising, with demand shifting toward enhanced user experiences. The ongoing rivalry between Samsung and Apple remains one of the most talked about topics, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra versus iPhone 16 Pro Max debate is no exception. Both smartphones are now available, and we've detailed their specifications. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, size 6.9 inches, resolution 31120 x 1440 pixels, technology AMOLED panel, refresh rate 1 to 120 Hz adaptive, brightness 2600 nits peak, cutout, hole punch, iPhone 16 Pro Max, size 6.9 inches, flat screen, resolution 210 and 868 x 120 pixels, technology OLED panel, refresh rate 1 to 120 Hz adaptive, brightness 2000 nits peak, cutout, pill shape. The iPhone 16 Pro Max debuts as the first iPhone with a 6.9-inch display, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra also upgrades to this size, slightly larger than the 6.8-inch display on last year's S24 Ultra. Let me know if you'd like a deeper comparison for any specific sections and design features below. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, height 162.8 millimeters, width 77.6 millimeters, thickness 8.2 millimeters. iPhone 16 Pro Max, height 163 millimeters, width 77.6 millimeters, thickness 8.25 millimeters. Both phones share the same width, but the Galaxy S25 Ultra is slightly shorter and thinner than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Samsung managed to shave off 0.2 millimeters from the height and 0.5 millimeters from the thickness while maintaining the same 6.9-inch display size. In terms of weight, the S25 Ultra weighs 218 grams, whereas the iPhone 16 Pro Max is heavier at 227 grams. Notably, the S25 Ultra is significantly lighter than its predecessor, the S24 Ultra, which weighed 232 to 233 grams. These reductions in size and weight make the new Galaxy S25 Ultra a more appealing choice for those who value portability. Samsung has reimagined its design, eliminating the sharp angles from previous models and adopting a style more reminiscent of the iPhone. The S25 Ultra features flat sides, rounded corners, and is constructed from titanium, the same material used in the iPhone 16 Pro Max. While both devices share a similar build, their front displays differ significantly. The S25 Ultra has a more rectangular screen with a smaller corner radius and a single camera hole, maximizing viewing area. In contrast, the iPhone's pill-shaped cutout accommodates facial recognition sensors, offering unparalleled authentication technology. When it comes to aesthetics, the iPhone 16 Pro Max features a polished frame with vibrant color options, whereas the S25 Ultra boasts a softer titanium finish with a matching frame. The rear camera setups also S25 Ultra, 2 vertical columns with 4 cameras and an LED flash. iPhone 16 Pro Max, a squared camera bump housing 3 cameras and a depth sensor. Camera. Both brands excel in photography and videography, each catering to different user preferences. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, main camera, 200 megapixel, f1.7 aperture. Ultra wide, 50 megapixel, f1.9 aperture, 120 degrees field of view. Periscope telephoto, 50 megapixel, 5x optical zoom, f3.4 aperture, OIS. Secondary telephoto, 10 megapixel, 3x optical zoom, f2. aperture, OIS. iPhone 16 Pro Max, main camera, 48 1.78 aperture, OIS. Ultra wide, 48 megapixel, f2.2 aperture, 120 degrees field of view. Periscope, 12 megapixel, 5x optical zoom, f2.8 aperture. Samsung's high-resolution sensors and versatile telephoto lenses cater to photography enthusiasts, while Apple continues to lead in video quality and computational photography. Battery. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. iPhone 16 Pro Max, approximately 4,676 mAh, unofficially reported. Both devices support 45-watt wired charging and fast wireless charging, thanks to its larger battery capacity. The Galaxy S25 Ultra might offer a slightly longer battery life, though system optimizations keep Apple close in terms of performance. Chipset. Galaxy S25 Ultra, powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite, it outperforms the iPhone's A18 Pro in multi-core performance, crucial for multitasking and heavy workloads. iPhone 16 Pro Max, despite trailing in multi-core performance, the A18 Pro continues to dominate in single-core benchmarks, ensuring smooth and efficient performance for everyday tasks. Price. Both models are available in 3 storage variants, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. Galaxy S25 Ultra, starting at $1,299. iPhone 16 Pro Max, starting at $1,199.